Hi guys, just coming from trimming some bushes in my backyard with this new edge trimmer, and it worked really well. Don't be afraid, this is perfectly safe. It has triple protection release, so nothing is going to happen when we just push here or push here. You have to push on all the three buttons at the same time to release it, so there's absolutely no danger. This is a real awesome thing. It comes as a complete set with the trimmer, the battery, the charger, this nice handle, and also with this extra protection here. And it has a decent length of 22 inches, and it cuts branches with up to 0.6 inches in diameter, so it's very strong. Yeah, everything looks really solid. You can see here stainless steel, and also this part here really solid, really easy to use. And so even though we have a full-size edge trimmer, the weight is very light. It's only 6 pounds. You can easily carry it with you till the whole power is used up of the 3000 milliamps, and this can take very long, can easily last for an hour or even more, so it can work really independent from any other power source for very long time. And despite the very light weight, it's still very powerful. I've been cutting a lot even through thicker branches, and it never stopped. There was absolutely no problem. Absolutely awesome. And of course, when you're doing larger jobs, it's always important to know how much power you have. So you have this button here, can press it, and you get an indicator how much power is left, like 25, 50, 75 or 100%. And so I'm going to show you everything what you get in the packaging and how to assemble. Assembly is very easy, just 2 parts, and you get all the tools, all the screws, everything just takes about 5 minutes or so. You get also the gloves, you get also the blade protection, comes with everything. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so this is what we get in the packaging. So here's the main part, but as you can see, we get really everything. We get this additional handle, and we get the charger and the large lithium battery. We get even some decent, beautiful gloves, and of course comes also with some basic instruction and the technical parameters and some precaution information, installation and instruction. Highly recommend to read everything before you are working with it. Comes also with this nice tool set with the screwdriver, safety glasses, hex key, and this tool. And then we plug it in here into 110 volts and then into the battery, and then we get the red light, which is indicating that it's charging, and as soon as we get the green light, we know it's fully charged. And the installation is very easy. There are just 2 parts to mount the handle and the safety guard. The handle we have to pull a little bit apart, and then we put it and slide it into the opening here. Just push it fully down till it's nicely aligned here on the left and on the right side. You can see also now it's matching with the holes on this and on this side, so we can apply the screws now on both sides. One here, second one on this side, and same thing on the other side. Also the second screw, of course. And then we have this safety guard. We just push it over the blade here, and as soon as the battery is fully charged, we slide it inside, and so we are ready to use it. And as a safety, we have to press on 3 different locations to make it start. We have this trigger here, we have this release button or safety button here, and we have also this safety trigger here. And so we have to squeeze the safety handle, push this button, and then push the release button, and then you can see it starts working automatically. By the way, this extra safety button you don't have to push the whole time, but doing the whole work you have to squeeze this and push this trigger button. And so it has been working absolutely awesome. I love it. Cordless. I've been dealing with a corded edge trimmer for years, and it has been such a pain. I've always been fearing that I will cut into the 110 volts, and so absolutely no risk for that anymore. So I can highly recommend it, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.